Want to move files in Google Drive? Organizing your files into the right folders makes your drive easier to manage and helps you quickly find what you need. In this guide, I'll show you how to move files in Google Drive step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, you'll see all of your files and folders stored in your drive. Next, browse through your drive or use the search bar at the top to find the file you want to move. Once you've located it, click the file to select it. Now right-click the selected file and choose Move. A window will appear showing all of your folders. You can also click the Move icon in the toolbar if it's available. Browse through your folders and select the destination where you'd like to store the file. After selecting the folder, click Move to complete the process. The file will immediately appear in its new location. Finally, open the destination folder to confirm the file was moved successfully. You can repeat these same steps whenever you need to reorganize your Google Drive, and that's how to move files in Google Drive. Keeping your files organized in folders makes it much easier to manage your documents and quickly find what you need across all your devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next